Hello everyone, this is Sarah Arp with Benish Real Estate, and this is our See It Now tour of 2596 South Leatherwood Road. Look at this amazing landscaping. This time of year, this just glows. It is perfectly landscaped. Come on in and check out this beautiful little cabin in the country. The front door leads into the living room. It has a large picture window that looks out on a beautiful front yard. Absolutely gorgeous. This home has a real country cabin in the woods feel to it. And first I want to show you the bedrooms and the bathroom down this hallway. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. And first we can take a look at this first bedroom here. It is gorgeous. That huge bed, there's lots of room. Very bright and sunny. And the second bedroom here is also beautiful. The wall technique that is on these walls is just really awesome. You'd have to see it in person to really appreciate it, but it is just so neat looking. 2 big windows and lots of mirrors on this wall over here that makes it feel even bigger. You should check these out. You're going to get a beautiful, bright bunch of light from that. And the third bedroom, which is right across the hall here. Freshly painted. It is nice. There's also a closet here for your linens. Lots of storage. And here is our bathroom, which you have to check out the walls on this bathroom. It looks like copper. It is so awesome. Isn't that neat? I love that. Now we'll take a look at the kitchen. This kitchen has a pantry here. This is a pantry, it's all connected, and your laundry is also located in here. Lots of updates in the kitchen. A lot of cabinet space. High ceilings. This just feels very open and airy and cozy and cabin-like all at the same time. It is really nice. It's an eating kitchen. Your dining area. And this leads into this den home office space. It's large. You could also make this into a playroom, a homeschool room. It's a very nice space, large. And off of this den, we have a step-down mud room for you to go in and out of the house and not track all the dirt and mud in. This is where all your utilities are located. It's a very large space, and it has a door that leads outside into the driveway. And to the left here, off of the eat-in kitchen dining space, is a very large family room. It is very spacious with large windows. It has a fireplace. I love this room. And we'll go back through the kitchen here. And I want to show you my favorite part of this house. It is the back deck. And if you're looking for a country home, this is amazing. You have to check this out. It has this permanently built-in large gazebo on the back deck. And the view is amazing. And it's all country, wooded, and you can hear the birds singing. We have lots of bird feeders here and pretty flowers. Thank you so much for joining us on the See It Now tour of 2596 South Leatherwood. If you'd like to see it in person, please give us a call. I would love to show it to you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.